Hi everyone, welcome to Vaishi Makeup, and today video is about my weight loss. If you see, I have been talking about my weight loss, my weight journey since long time, maybe around like it has been 3-4 years. If you're new here, I'm going to link all the videos in the description box so that you can get an idea how it has been. So initially I tried intermittent fasting where I used to fast for 16 hours. For example, if I had my last meal at 6 p.m., then I used to have my next meal at 10 p.m. and next meal. So it initially helped me and helped me in reducing my weight, but later on my weight got stalled, and I left intermittent fasting in between because I thought that even if I eat, what ultimately what matter is what goes into your body, and if we are eating more calories than what is required in a day, then we are ultimately going to gain weight, or either if we are eating less than what is required in a day, then we are going to lose weight. So I stopped intermittent fasting, but recently it's been almost like a month since I started, and with this intermittent fasting I also started doing three things which has really speed up my weight loss. So I'm sure a lot of us are going through this stall weight. For example, what happens with me is, if I am measuring my calories, if I am measuring my food, then my weight is okay. But even if I have like little bit of biscuits, 2-3 biscuits also, then also my weight next day would rise up like 1 kg. Near to my periods also my weight will rise to like 2-3 kg. I would have a lot of bloating and all. But since the time I've started these doing three things, it has helped me that I do not suffer from bloating anymore. My stomach is so light, it has like very least amount of fat, which I am expecting that if I continue with the same process, is going to cover up at all. Like I will have no fat on my stomach. Maybe you can follow me on Instagram, and I do share a lot of my fitness posts there, so you can check that. So first thing which I do is I take a wet pack. So what is a wet pack? Wet pack is available easily on Amazon, even if you can make it at home also. So wet pack has a lot of benefit. Basically it's like a cotton cloth which you wrap on your body, and there's a cotton strip which you wrap on your neck, and then there's a cotton strip which you wrap on your head. So these three things have to be done, and you have to do it like every day for 3 months, and it will you can keep it for like 20 minutes maximum. You can keep it for 40-45 minutes depending upon how the situation is. And when you're wearing wet pack, you can do your work, so it's not a problem. If you're wearing wet pack, you have to sit also, and it's not very uncomfortable. Honestly speaking, I do all my household work while wearing a wet pack. So the first thing which I experienced was, when I used a wet pack, is that my head used to feel so calm, because I suffer from migraine. My head has been feeling so amazing. If you have thyroid problem, if you have weight problem, and if you have other issues, then you should go for wet pack. And weight problem, your stomach will really lose weight if you use wet pack continuously. And if you have chronic disease, then also if you use wet pack 2 to 3 times a day, it can help you. I will link a site where all the benefit of wet pack has been written, and you can check that out. It will help you immensely. Second is enema. I know a lot of you will think that, wow, enema. Well, I know it has been difficult for me too, but then enema has made me less frustrated when it comes to losing my weight. So I am okay doing it, and it has so many health benefits that I'm using it and I'm doing it. And if you want to know about enema and where to get it, I'll link it in the description box. The best part is that we read all this stuff outside, all those foreign things, and the answer was lying in India only. All these things, we all grandparents and all have been doing it, and we have kind of ignored it. So these two things has accelerated. Along with this, I did my 16-hour fasting. And the fourth thing which one needs to do is to reduce their stall weight is that they should break their fast with a fruit. and that too with a mono fruit. And what is a mono fruit? Eat fruit, just one fruit, okay? Use fruit, you should eat fruit which has a lot of water into it. So you can have kharbuja, you can have, that is your musk melon, you can have watermelon, you can have grapes, you can have all those watery content food and fruits. And that's how you should break your fast. And I feel very good when I have fruits. I feel satiated. I have those sweet craving that gets satisfied with this. I also have mangoes and I enjoy them in summers, which I used to, would not have it when I used to follow my measuring food thing. Now, the best part about this intermittent fasting and following this sweat pack and anema and mono fruit is that I don't feel the craving. If I was, when I used to do other things and not these things, I used to feel a lot of craving. I used to feel like, oof, I wish I could eat that chole bhature, oof, I could eat that Maggie and all. But now I don't get that kind of craving. Sometimes I have like once in a week, and that too also I feel I should do it. Rest all, I do not feel the craving. I just enjoy what I am eating. So these three things you must try, and let me know if it worked for you. And all this thing I have learned from Sattvic movement, and God bless them, I lost so much of weight because of them. And I've been following their lifestyle as well. I'll link them if you want to know about them. And if you have any question, let me know. I'll see you again.